Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve exercise 2.1. Question number 1 is which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. मीन्स क्या पूछा है यहाँ पे, इनमें से कौन से पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल हैं और कौन से नहीं हैं, और एंड यू हैव टू टेल द रीजन ऑल्सो. नाउ फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 4x² minus 3x plus 7. So of course this is a polynomial in one variable. Polynomial है, why? Because the degree, the power of variable is a whole number. कोई एक्सप्रेशन पॉलिनोमियल कब होता है? जब उसमें जो वेरिएबल की पावर है वो होल नंबर होती है, तो वो एक्सप्रेशन पॉलिनोमियल होता है. तो दिस इज अ पॉलिनोमियल इन वेरिएबल x. कौन सा वेरिएबल यहाँ पे? x. 4x² minus 3x plus 7. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट इज y² plus √2. अगेन ये पॉलिनोमियल है, वाई? बिकॉज वेरिएबल की पावर क्या है? 2, विच इज अ होल नंबर. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल, दैट इज y. Polynomial in variable y. Now third part is 3√2 plus t√2. Now in this case, what is the power of this t? Power of t is 1/2, and 1/2 is not a whole number. So this 3√2 plus t√2 is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. इसका reason यही हो जाएगा because the power of variable is not a whole number. Fourth part is y plus 2/y. Again in this term 2/y, power of y is -1, and -1 is not a whole number. So this expression y plus 2/y is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Fifth one is x raised to the power 10 plus y raised to the power 3 plus t raised to the power 50. Of course this is a polynomial. Why? Because all the powers of the variables are whole numbers, but this is not a polynomial in one variable. हमें क्वेश्चन में बताना है polynomial which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable. यहाँ पे इस केस में 3 वेरिएबल्स हैं, एक वेरिएबल x है, एक y है, एक t है. So this is polynomial in variables x, y and t. So this is polynomial in 3 variables. Question number 2 is write the coefficients of x² in each of the following. x² के coefficients लिखने हैं. First part is 2 plus x² plus x. Now what is the coefficient of x²? x² का coefficient यहाँ पर हो गया 1. Second part is 2 minus x² plus x³. In this case x² का coefficient क्या है? -1. यहाँ पे -1 है x² का coefficient. Third part में π/2 x² plus x. x² के साथ यहाँ पे क्या है? π/2. So that means coefficient of x² in this case is π/2. And fourth part √2x minus 1. There is no term with x². That means the coefficient of x² in this expression is 0. Now third question. Third question है give one example each of the binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. We have to give an example of binomial of degree 35. Binomial क्या होता है? Binomial has 2 terms. Binomial has 2 terms. तो हम कोई भी लिख सकते हैं binomial like x plus 1. ये binomial हो गया. But we want a binomial of degree 35. Degree 35 means variable की power should be 35. So this is a binomial with degree 35. आप कोई भी ले सकते हो, y raised to the power 35 plus 2, any binomial with degree 35. सेकेंड वी हैव टू टेल मोनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 100. मोनोमियल मीन्स जिसमें सिर्फ एक टर्म हो. सपोज हम ले लें y रेज टू द पावर 100. दिस इज अ मोनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 100. आप कोई भी वेरिएबल ले सकते हो फ्रॉम a to z. एनी वेरिएबल वी कैन कंसिडर. Now question number 4 is write the degree of each of the following polynomials. What we have to do? We have to write the degrees of these polynomial. Degree क्या होती है किसी polynomial की? The highest power of variable of that polynomial. तो first part है 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Now in this case what is the degree? Highest power 3 है variable की. Variable यहाँ पर x है और उसकी highest power 3 है. So degree of this polynomial will be 3. Now next is 4 minus y square. Variable y है यहाँ पे and highest power is 2. So that means degree of this polynomial is 2. Third part is 5t minus square root of 7. यहाँ पे t की पावर क्या है? 1. Highest power is 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1. And last part is 3. Only 3. That means variable की power यहाँ पे क्या है? Variable की power 0 है. That means degree is 0. Okay. Next question number 5 is classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Now I have already told you linear polynomials are the polynomials with degree 1, quadratic polynomials are the polynomials which have degree 2 and cubic polynomials are the polynomials which have degree 3. So first part is x square plus x. In this case degree of this polynomial is 2 because highest power is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. Second part is x minus x cube. Highest power of variable x is 3. That means degree of this polynomial is 3. That means this is a cubic polynomial. Third part is y plus y square plus 4. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 2 because highest power is 2. That means this is again a quadratic polynomial. And last part is 1 plus x. Fourth part is 1 plus x. Degree of this polynomial is 1 because x की power क्या है यहाँ पे? 1. So this is a linear polynomial. This is a linear polynomial. Then fifth part is 3t. Power of t is 1. So again this is a linear polynomial. t की पावर यहाँ पे 1 है. So this is a linear polynomial. Then r square. r square means degree is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. And last seventh part 7x cube. Power of x is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. This is a cubic polynomial. So I hope आपको एक्सरसाइज अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गई होगी. Thanks for watching.